Elon Musk's 6 shocking predictions about the future. Cars that drive themselves, jobs that disappear, and a future where humans may not even stay human. Sounds like science fiction, but these are real predictions from Elon Musk. 1. Autonomy will dominate in the future. Elon Musk believes that in the future, driving will become obsolete. He has repeatedly predicted a world where vehicles are fully autonomous, with humans no longer needing to touch the wheel. 2. AI will be dangerous than nuclear weapons. Musk has warned that artificial intelligence could be more dangerous than nuclear weapons. Experts already fear an AI arms race, where machines could act faster than humans can react. 3. Humans will merge with AI. To survive in the future, Musk says humans may need to merge with machines. Projects like Neuralink aim to connect the human brain directly with computers. In a world of superintelligence, remaining fully human may not be enough. 4. Robotaxis will be everywhere. Musk predicts robotaxis will become widespread, transforming transportation forever. Cars won't just drive themselves, they'll become businesses on wheels. 5. AI will surpass human intelligence. He believes AI will surpass human intelligence and eventually exceed all human minds combined. Even today, experts warn about the risk of AI surpassing human control. This could be humanity's greatest breakthrough or its greatest threat. 6. Work will be optional. One of Musk's boldest predictions: work will become optional. He says within 10 to 20 years, AI and robots could replace most jobs, making work more like a hobby than a necessity. A world where money may no longer matter. 6 predictions. Each one sounds impossible. But so did electric cars, reusable rockets, and private space travel. Maybe the question isn't, is Elon Musk right? The real question is, are we ready if he is?